Hari Om. In continuation of the same question, how to do our activities without getting bound by it? Swamiji says, a man says, I came from Madras, but in reality he did not come. The Jatka or the vehicle, some other vehicle brought him from his house to the railway station. The train brought him to Tiruvannamalai railway station, and from there some other cart brought him there. But he says, I came. This is how we identify ourselves with the acts of the body and the senses. Bhagavan said, whatever his body may happen to be doing, he is always in his real state. Bhagavan again referred to Rajeshwarananda, who had said that once he planned to take a big party of pilgrims with Bhagavan in their midst, and Bhagavan said, I did not consent to go, and the thing had to be dropped. What is there I could go and see? What is the use of me going anywhere? The Jnani sees he is the self, and it is on that self as the screen that the various cinema pictures of what is called the world pass. He remains unaffected by the shadows which play on the surface of the screen. See with the physical eye and you see the world. See with the eye of the realization, everything appears as the self. To see an object that is in the dark, both the eye and the light of a lamp are required. To see the light only, the eye is enough. But to see the sun, there is no need of any other light. Even if you take the lamp with you, its light will be drowned in the light of the sun. Our intellect or buddhi is of no use to realize the self. Again I am repeating, our intellect or buddhi is of no use to realize the self. To see the world or external objects, the mind and the reflected light which always arises with it are necessary. To see the self, the mind has simply to be turned inside, and there is no need of the reflected light. If we concentrate on any thought and go to sleep in that state, immediately on waking, the same thought will continue in our mind. People who are given chloroform are asked to count 1, 2, 3, etc. A man who goes under after saying 6, for instance, will, when he comes again to, start saying 7, 8, etc. In some books, the ego is compared to a leech. Before leaving one body, it takes hold of another. Hari Om.